Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Haerin from NewJeans as a Powerpuff Girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute NewJeans Powerpuff Girl, let's first start by drawing a big oval for the head. So it's easier for my hand, and I'm just going to start about right here to go up. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this circular oval, if that's such a thing. Just want it nice and full. Bring out big curve. So play around with it. Maybe you might like to start up here. Just see how you like to start your ovals. But our goal is just to create this big oval for the head. So something like that, big curve. And definitely, hopefully you're using a pencil so that you can make any adjustments. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this down. Nice and round. I go back and forth because I'm drawing pretty big. It just makes it a little bit easier to see what I'm drawing. So let's say about right here. And then we can go up. That's our center. And connect. There. Okay, so we have this kind of wobbly oval. And like I said, definitely come back in and make any adjustments you need. Okay, so something like that. From there, we're going to go ahead and draw her bangs. So I'm going to come back to the top, say about right here, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line across, but with some notches inside. So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw 3 of these curved notches. So about right here, we're going to go straight. And about right there, let's go ahead, curve, then continue your bangs, and then about right here where the center is, I'm going to go ahead and draw another one, and continue one more, and another notch, and then just go ahead and finish it off for your straight line. Now that we have her bangs in, we need to draw her eyes. So with her eyes right here, they're slanted. So it's a little bit easier. It's not all like big curves, right? So we don't want to pass the center, which is about, right, let me see here. And you know what? Now that I'm looking at my camera, my bangs are totally like slanted, right? So, how do we fix this? Actually, okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to bring this down. I think we're like way, okay, not too bad. Sorry about that. Like I said, hopefully you're using a pencil. And we'll just bring this one up a little bit to fix our line. Okay, there, much better. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I can find my center a little bit better. So say about here, I'll come across about here and here. I'll just give myself 2 points, just tentative. And then from there, I'm going to come back into this space right here, and I'm going to draw an angle line. So let's go ahead and create these slanted eyes to my point. About right there. And then I'm going to loop all the way around. Nice big curve all the way. And bring it in. There. So same exact thing on this side. And about right there, just like the other side. And then once again, nice big curve. And you just want to end about the same area on the other side. And up. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the insides. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve following. And as we get to this side, we're going to taper it in. And just go ahead and taper it in. And then we got one more layer. And once again, as you come here, taper it in. And then we're going to come to the top right here, about in this spot, we're going to draw a big circle, part of the circle for the highlight. And then let's just go ahead and shade this all in. So thank you for keep requesting these NewJeans Powerpuff Girls. I can't believe I'm almost done drawing all of them. I think I have only one more, right? I think. So let me know in the comments below if you want that one too. Okay, so same exact thing on this side. So we're going to come about right here. And curve. Definitely turn your paper or your body, see which way is easier for you to draw these curves. There, and then once again, we need to draw a big highlight about right here, part of a big circle, and then shade this all in. The eyes are what takes the most time on these Powerpuff Girls. So bear with me here, because I am drawing pretty big. Okay, there, finally have the eyes in. She's so awesome, right? Okay, so then let's come back to the center about right here. I'll give myself a point, and then we're just going to draw a mouth that has two little curves like this. There. So I guess she's supposed to be a cat, maybe? I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw her ears. So about right here, we're going to draw a bunch of circles into this triangular shape for the ears. So I'll start about right here. And I'm not going to draw as many as there are on the original. I'm just going to maybe say 3 and making mine bigger, so one more just to simplify it, and then we're going to come down on the other side. So definitely you can draw a lot more if you like. Okay, there, something like that. We just want to create ears basically. So same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here. 1, 2. Oh no, that one got a little big. I'll make that one smaller. And one last one. I'll stretch this one, make it big, just to fit it. But hopefully you get the idea. So now we have our 2 cat ears in. Then from there, if I'm not mistaken, I think there's like this little lash right here. So hopefully I'm not wrong, but I do see something sticking up right there. So I'm gonna draw that. And same thing here. I think it's a lash. And then from there, we're going to, let's work on her body first before we draw the rest of her hair. So let's come back down to say about right here. Small little body, we're going to center it. And I'm just going to draw a little line to say about right there. And then from there, I'm going to stop because there's a foot I need to draw. So I'm going to make sure that this foot comes to the center. So I'm going to start like say about right here to create this foot, which is an oval. So I just want to make sure it does touch the center. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw an oval at a slant. And then we come back in here, draw a curve, and another curve for the shoe. And then let's bring this down. And about right here, we cut it off. I believe it's right about, yeah, about here for the top. And then the foot, the other foot. So that's why we want to make sure this foot here, this oval touches the center. And about right here, we're going to add the other foot and just connect it. And then once again, the shoe about right here. And a curve. And let's see here. And then for some detail, there's a stripe. So go about right here. Actually, it goes a little bit higher. And here. And like all the other ones I've drawn, I put a heart right here. So I'm going to do that right now. And then since I messed up right there, I'm just going to go ahead and shade it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, for her hands, we're going to come back to this spot right here, kind of like where her eye is. And in this area, we're going to draw her hand. So I'm going to come about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve and then bring it in. There, one. And then the other hand is about right here at the top. And it's going to hit that lash. So go up kind of straight and about right here. We're going to bring it down and bring it in for the other hand. And then her hair. So we're going to taper her hair down, continuing that curve. Just say about right there, and then same thing here. Just taper. And it's going to swing out. So let's work on this side first. And curve, give it a little notch. Continue that curve. Now we're going to go up slightly and give it some more notches as we go up. One more. There, and then just go ahead and connect it. There. And I believe I haven't missed anything. That is pretty much it for this drawing of Haerin from NewJeans as a Powerpuff Girl. I really hope I helped you today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.